Hey, what's going on? It's Matt from Forever Forex. And if you're looking for a simple Forex scalping strategy, then you're in the right place. I'm about to show you the simplest Forex scalping strategy that I've really come across. And I just traded NFP with it. So I'm going to show you those trades. But I did have a couple questions with regards to does it work on indices, gold, and crypto. So this Forex scalping strategy actually works on anything on MT4. So if your broker allows you to trade it, you can use this simple Forex scalping indicator really with precision, and it removes all the emotions, right? You never know, when to get into the trade, when to exit the trade. It's really, really simple. I actually have a 5-minute chart pulled up. It works on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15-minute time frames. My favorite is just the 5 minute. It works really good on the 1 minute too. So I'm actually going to shoot another video. So be sure to subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube, because I'm going to shoot another 1 minute video where I go through some 1 minute trades. Works really good. And if you do want to get this Forex scalping system for yourself, I'll drop a link in the description of this YouTube. So if you're watching on YouTube, it's in the description. If you're watching in my Facebook group, I'll drop a link to the YouTube video and you can go get it there. Real simple download, one-time purchase, buy it, trade with it. For whatever reason you don't like it, it actually offers a full 100% refund. So I think you'll like it because it works really well. This is just Bitcoin on a 5 minute. You could see you're just waiting for the entry signals, which are these diamonds, right? You don't just enter right at the change of the color of the trend wave. It's basically just two, it looks like it's just two MAs, right? You're really waiting for the optimal entry signal to fire off. Now you could get right in, or you could wait for the pullback into the zone, take the trades here, reduce some of the risk, and you're off to the races. You could really see how easy it is to scalp the Forex market. Even right here, if you would have just got in, could have got a handful. I'm really just going, this is on Bitcoin. It's a little different. On the Forex pairs, I'm just going for about a 20 pip profit. So this is Bitcoin. I want to show you gold. Gold was another one. Now keep in mind, this was NFP week, right? Had the highest unemployment rate since the Great Depression. So it's really choppy. So keep that in mind. You're going to see a lot of chop here. But if I go back, you can see these trades before NFP are just really super easy to scalp the market, right? You get the entry here, boom, you get right before this big push up. Here, you could scalp some points down. Here, scalp some points up. This one you kind of got at the top, but if you waited till it bounced back, you got a little points there. Huge. I mean, I would never hold it. I mean, you could see how easy it is to go down here. I personally wouldn't hold it this long. I would just, like I said, I'm scalping for a few points. This is a very, very simple indicator to do that. So that's gold on the 5 minute. Let me show you the US 30. And again, this is NFP week, so keep in mind you had a lot of chop here. But this last signal that came in, boom, crushed it, right? Let me just show you a couple signals before NFP because it really makes a big difference, obviously. You can see you got to buy here, scalp it. And this is one of the pairs or the indices that works really, really well on the 1 minute because this thing moves, right? You could see how easy it is to get these trades. Boom, this is on the 5 minute. Look how easy this is. I mean, imagine if it was this simple, right? Imagine if you got to buy, just a simple buy sell indicator, nothing else to really look at, nothing cluttering the chart, just buy here, crushed it. I love it when it gets the signal and it's close to the zone. That's my favorite setup. Boom. Works really, really well. Here's one where you would have lost. Check this out. So you got in here, you sold, you take a little loss here, but you come back and boom. So again, the losses are small, the profits are large. So it's a very, very simple strategy to get a good risk to reward strategy. So as long as you're managing the trades properly, go for 1-to-1, go for 20 pips, because most of the, let me show you the Forex pairs. So you can see this is USD CAD. Again, NFP week's a little choppy, but you get the sell here. It pulled back. You could go down. Look, 30 pips. So you can easily get 20 pips. And your stop is like 17, maybe 15, maybe even 10. Just put it right here, right above these wicks. So that's 2-to-1 right there, right? Let me show you, if I just go back a little bit. This is basically this week. I mean, this thing just crushed this trade. 170 pips. Going up. Going down. Pulled back very nicely right there. See if this got 20 pips. I don't think it did. So it went like 15 pips. So again, you would have got 16 pips stop if you didn't move this thing to break even. If it went down this far, maybe move it to break even. At least reduce the risk to like a -10 or something like that. So you had a little loss there. No big deal. Nice trade there. Easy money. That's about as far back as you can go. But again, hopefully you see how simple this is. This is a good one here. I actually lost this trade right here. So I took the sell. It was up in the zone. I took it. I was here 15 pips on a pound AUD, which the thing moves like crazy. But then I just got back in over here. So I lost 15 here. I got 40 pips here. I got out at 40 pips. So I was up overall on that move. Here, this is before. This is like the London session. Right at the London Open. Look at that. Get the buy signal. Wick into the zone. Fires off 57 pips. Pound USD. Trades like this, where they fire and it's like all the way. You see how far away this is? Just skip that. Especially at the end of the day, it's just going to trail back anyway. There was really nothing here. Let me see. I got this one. This was an easy money trade. I love this trade right here. NFP. NFP actually didn't do as much as I thought, considering the high unemployment rate. Thought it would have been a lot bigger. But check this out. Look, you got this is what, 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock Eastern in the morning. Fires up, pulls back, goes 92 pips. It doesn't get any easier than that. I hope you see how easy this Forex scalping strategy really is. If you want to test this out for yourself, again, I'll put the link in the description. Go get it. If you have any questions, I'm going to put a link to my Facebook group where I'm always posting updated content. So be sure to subscribe to YouTube. If you got some value from this, if you like this indicator, if you like the way it's structured, smash that thumbs up. It helps me out. I appreciate it. And happy trading. Grab this thing for next week. Bye.